Hello, Intro Java students. Today I will do a little demonstration on how to create cool titles using GIMP. So if you go to GIMP 2.0, it's on the lab computers. You can also download it off of the internet. If you just search for GIMP, it will show up. So once you have it installed, you can open up GIMP and go to File, Create, and then there's buttons you can create, or if you go to Logos, this is where you can make a cool title. So just all of these are pretty awesome. Like let's say we went to Crystal and let's name it like Cool Game, whatever you want to name the title of your game. You hit OK, and it does all the cool, whatever it needs to do to create cool game, but in a nice, fancy way, right? So there's some other ones here. Let's create, let's see, comic books, pretty cool. Superman. And it does it in kind of a comic book type font. So once you have your cool title, you can go up to File, Export As, and you want to save these as a PNG. So just name it whatever you want, Superman title, and let's just save it on the desktop is fine. Okay, and just export it there. And then if you go back into Scratch, so let's just make a new Scratch project, hit Create, and now you can say Upload Sprite File, go down to your desktop, and find Superman, there it is. Hit open, and now you have a cool title for your game. Hooray! One thing is, some of them have, you see this is like a white background. If you want to get rid of that, you can also do that. Actually, in this, so if you notice over here, it has all the layers of like how did it make Superman. You can hide different parts of it, but one of the layers it has is the background. You can either hide it, or you can delete it with the trash can here. Either way, if you do that first, you can, and then you can also get rid of the, if you don't want the white outline around it, there you can get rid of that as well. Then you have just the part that you want. Once you have it looking the way you want, you can just say File, Export again, or if you've already exported it, you can just export it to the same thing. So then if we do that, we would want to re-upload it. Also, when you upload it, you can decide if you want to upload it as a costume or a new sprite. If you have an existing sprite, you can just upload it as a costume. And so now this costume doesn't have the white background. So you can see when I move it around, it doesn't have the white background. Okay, so that was a little short description of how you can, or tutorial on how you can create your own cool titles. Of course, you can also customize them more if you learn a little bit more about GIMP, but that'll get you started. Enjoy!